What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jar Jar Bricks Studio. We just got home from the LEGO store, and I have a brand new sealed Captain Rex's Y-Wing Microfighter that we're going to build today. I hope you enjoy the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you at the end. So here is the microfighter. It's pretty good. We got the solid engines and a control panel with two tiny stud shooters on the side just there, and the front windshield and the front turrets. And here is that beautiful Captain Rex Phase 2 minifigure that we all love, complete with the cloth shoulder pauldron, and he's got toe printing and arm printing. I really enjoyed this set, and I will see you in a few seconds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I would like to say that all of my video ideas and inspiration come from Coconut Brick Studios. I will throw a link to his channel in the description. And until next time, have fun building.